Hi everyone, I am back to share with you two more ornaments that I made. These are prototypes. I'm probably going to do maybe two more before I start mass producing them just to see which one I like. But first off, I wanted to remind you that I have a sale going on in my exhibit store. You can take 20% off at checkout and you just type in the code TAKE20. It's all in caps, and then the 20 is the numbers that you use. And I'll also put it in the description box. So I used the Sizzix Caged Bird die. This is the alterations one. There's an ornament that I want to make with this still, and I was on Pinterest and I got obsessed with a pin that I saw, which is totally different from the one that I still want to make. So last night I was on Skype with Virginia, who's Virginia 1468, and I said, V, we have to make this now. So we did. So hers is going to be in the hop in a week, so stay tuned for that. But here's what I did, and I'll explain to you how I made it. Let me show you the this one is the first prototype that I made, and I started with the base first, and it has four sides all the way around, as you can see. And what I did was I stuck some mylar raffia on the inside. I just put in a little bit, gave it a little bit of a haircut to so that it's not so tall in here. And then I just used some of my white baby butt trim. And then what I did was I got some twine and I tied, because there's four sides, I tied two together, double knotted it, and then because it has a hole at the top of the die, there's a hole, and then I tied the other two together, so I don't have to worry about gluing it and it coming undone. It's tied together. So, and then what I did was I ran another set of twine through it for my hanging tag to hang it on the tree. And then I took some of these pretty white flowers from Michael's and I just put four at the top, one on each side. And I just think this came out really adorable. And the first prototype here, what I did was I made a basket. So basically I cut off to this point. So I put the basket around the base, and then what I did was I cut out an extra two of these per each side, and I used 110-pound cardstock. So from here down is actually 3 layers of 110-pound cardstock, and so that's how I assembled it. So that was my first one. Then here's my second prototype, and instead of doing the basket, I just started with my base, and then I cut out 3 of these per each side. I glued them all together of 110-pound cardstock, and I just started building my sides. And this is pretty sturdy. I mean, it still bends a little bit in the center, but the sides are uber strong because it's a 3-ply layer of the 110-pound cardstock. Again, when I got to the top, I tied 2 together and then tied these 2 together. Then I ran another set of twine through so that I have my little string to hang on the tree. And this here is a beautiful dark red flower, and this is from Michael's as well, and you get a fair amount. I would say you get, I think, about 14 of these flowers to a bouquet, and that's about $1.50 for the bouquet. Because you get the sale price, and then there was a coupon to get an additional discount on top of it. So I think it came out to $1.50 for a bouquet. So it's really not that bad. It comes out to probably like 10 cents a flower, because you get about 14 or 15 flowers on there. So you get a lot. So this whole thing cost me 40 cents. I already had the mylar, I already had the baby butt trim, and I already had twine. So this was just 40 cents to make the cost. So I will probably be back with more of these, just looking slightly different. And then the one that I originally wanted to make that I was inspired by is my own design. I looked on Pinterest and I didn't see, and basically what I want to do is make it one-sided and some thick foam in between, and I want to hang some jewelry off here, but we'll see if I can get that done. So that's what I want to do. So I'll probably be back with 1 or 2 more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will put the link to my store and the coupon code down below, and I will also include the Pinterest link where I was inspired to make this. Thank you so much. Bye.